Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here, scroll down and find the option called the brightness. And once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter. And right here we have the list of screen brightness levels. We have the level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and also the auto. So if you want the screen brightness to adjust automatically, you can select this one. I'm gonna select the 4 and then tap on OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.